Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
We do it.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's early morning. I'm already late to go to work, but yeah, we had a lot of fun yesterday. Came to bed kinda late. I don't know. I remember years ago I used to go to bed maybe midnight or things like this. Now since Tyler is here at 10-11, I knocked down completely. So yeah, yesterday I went to bed after midnight, and look at me this morning, a mess. So I wish you for all of you I wish for all of you a good day. Hope you're gonna enjoy today vlog. Hope you're gonna enjoy your day today, and yeah, take care of you. Enjoy this vlog.
Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, can you tell workout was real this morning? Workout was real. I just finished, and I'll show you guys what I did. I'll show you guys a little of what I did this morning. It was 100. I'm feeling exactly how I'm supposed to feel this morning, and I am happy about that. It's Monday, so happy Monday, you guys. I am in the kitchen right now making my green juice. Of course, you guys know that's my routine. So I'm cutting up all my greens to get this going, but I'm doing more than I usually do because these days I have to make a glass also for Tyler. He's around here somewhere playing his tablet. Baby's off to work, and I have work today, so you guys know how that kind of day will be. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Whatever it is that you're doing today, do it because you want to do it. Don't just do it because you have to do it. Do it and feel good about doing it. Enjoy your day, stay positive, stay motivated, stay away from negative people, stay by yourself if you have to stay by yourself. My mother always said, too much company no good. So do what you have to do for your own sanity, for your own well-being, for your own happiness. Enjoy your day, you guys. I am going to go ahead and make this green juice and get right on with my day, and so should you. Yeah, our green juice is ready. And Tyler will be happy when he sees this. He loves green juice. So I'm gonna throw him some right now. About that much. Fill me up. There we go. So that way I can drink mine in peace and he can have his in peace. You guys are gonna see how happy his little face is when he sees his green juice. Check this out. Look here. Say morning, Fibs. You're playing your tablet. You're watching the tablet.
Watching the juice.
And watching the juice. All right, have your juice. Say thank you, Mama, for my juice. Enjoy your juice, okay? Drink your juice. Careful and don't let it fall. Look at you. loves some green juice. You guys, I'm so tired, but I have to keep going. I have to do what I have to do. I just finished having breakfast, and if you guys know me, you know that my breakfasts are always pretty boring. It's always the same thing over and over. It's either avocado toast or plantain and eggs. So comment down below and guess and tell me, what did I make this morning? One of the two. Which one do you think? Yes. No more? Okay. Bye. He said, Mama, no more. On the TV, go watch the TV. So it's that time of day where I get to create magic in my favorite place, and I'm going to make dinner. And dinner is going to consist of I'm going to make dinner, and dinner is just going to consist of 3 simple things. Babe, Thailand, this is what is going to be: quinoa, salmon, and green beans. So let's create this magic right now. Okay, you guys, dinner is ready. That's what dinner looks like. Tyler, Papa, and Mama to go because I'm heading to work, so I need to have my dinner at work. So that's mine, that's Babe, that's Tyler. Mission accomplished. Woo! Now on to the next. Now I need to go and feed Tyler lunch, give him a bath, and put him down for a nap so we can be well on our way to daycare and to work. I'm making lunch. Actually, instead of going for my usual salad, I am making a sandwich, and I'm using avocado and smoked salmon just on top of 2 slices of toast. So I just add a kiwi on there, and this is basically what lunch is gonna be today. That will do. Look, see more there. See one there. Go catch him, go. Look in front of you. Look down there. See 2 down there. Come on. Go catch him. Go get him. Go catch him, Dad, catch him. He loves running down the bird. Oh my gosh. Whoa! They're gone. Come on, let's go to school. Go, dis bonjour. Fala dis bonjour. Go. Go.
Hi guys, and yeah, I just switched home. Baby's at work, and I am home alone with Tyler. He's after 7 now, so I'm gonna have to feed Tyler. I'm so tired. This morning I was tired. You can just imagine right now. So yeah, I'm alright. Tyler, I guess Tyler's hungry. It's after 7 p.m. now, and I was about to give him little food, and as I step in the house, I saw Babe, she cooked some wonderful salmon with Tyler, some wonderful salmon and quinoa for Tyler. So Tyler started to eat very well. Started to eat like us. Tyler, qu'est-ce qu'on dit? Oui, s'il te plaît, papa, mais tu vas aller manger. Tiens, Tyler. Tu vas manger, d'accord? Tu as faim? Ok. Oui, on est à la maison, on va manger, d'accord? Alright, so I'm going to feed Tyler. I don't know, baby, she come home alone or if I have to drive her. But yeah, priority to Tyler. That's what she always tell me. So I'm sure she will understand if I reach there late.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no yellow teeth. Wait. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
We do it.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no yellow teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
I don't want the teeth.
You brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no.
I don't want the teeth.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no. Say night night, faves.
Not good.
I'm putting on my pajama.
I'm putting a pajama.
I'm going to bed.
I'm gonna bed.
See you guys tomorrow.
Get the tomorrow. I'm going. I'm watching.
What?
Watching the TV. I'm watching the TV.
No, you're not watching no TV.
Oh, I'm watching a book.
You're watching book. No, you're gonna read book.
Oh, book.
No hitting.
Bookie.
No hitting.
Book.
What did Mama say?
Pas de patrouille, pas en mission.
Non, c'est Tyler. Ryder, Ruben et Marcus rejoignent leur véhicule et foncent en direction de la ferme, suivis du pas de patrouilleur.
He's joking the hell out of you.
Ruben commence aussitôt à creuser le sol pour donner une forme à la piste. Mais le terrain est jonché de tant de pierres que ça risque de prendre du temps.
My face looks so puffy. Jeez.
What is puffy?
Fat.
Because you had so much cheese yesterday.
Says reflecting.
How did you digest?
Normal. Didn't
Yeah.
bother me.
Okay, not like the last time. I'm
okay.
good. Damn, you're surprised with the amount of food that you got this time. My baby eat enough.
I'm eating for two.
No, she eating for one.
Let me stop saying that before y'all think I'm pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. I am not pregnant. I say it again and again and again. I am not pregnant.
And now?
You guys, I'm tired. I've been home watching How to Get Away with Murder. And I'm ready to go to bed. I didn't sleep so well last night, so I need to go to bed early tonight. And I'm really tired now. It's taking a toll on me now because look at my eyes. So I'm gonna give you guys the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. So the Jamaican expression is going to be, what is joke to you is death to me. It simply means that when somebody think that they're telling a joke about you, and inside you you're just dying and pissed about what they say. Like somebody say like somebody laughing at your outfit and saying that your outfit is so ugly, and in your head your outfit is super cute. You're just pissed as hell. So what somebody think is joke to them is not joke to you. You get it?
I get it.
What is joke to you
What is joke to you
is death to me.
is dead to me.
What's the French expression for today?
Tête de cochon. Tête de cochon is the French expression.
Head
Tête
of a cow?
Non, cochon.
Cochon, cochon, cochon. Vache is cow, cochon is pig.
Right, head
Head
of a pig. Tête de cochon is head of the pig. It simply means when somebody like don't want to listen and is just stubborn, and it's just you tell him 5 times the same thing and he's still
Oh Lord have mercy. Head of a
just
pig.
head of the pig. Don't listen.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes.
Tête de cochon.
Tête de cochon.
Right. Are you a tête de cochon?
Sometimes. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys, my little bad boys off to bed. Tell me about naughty mama, and then tell babe, kiss mama, mama kiss papa. That little boy, you can't be sad around him. Or when he make you piss. Anyway, you guys, he's off to bed and we're heading to bed right now. So if it's your first time watching, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss a thing. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We'll see you guys.